get it. Alright, let's go. Alright, word. Here's the receipt. They always show the receipt, see what you're doing. So you have an image right there. It's a nice little, shows you everything you ordered. You can check it, make sure everything came in good. Alright, so right here I have the these are for the kids shirts. These are a little bit smaller for the kids shirts. I'm about to give some, about to make some shirts for my daughter, give her some shirts to wear, some of her cousins get some shirts. This is the red version. It's the black version for the white tees. It's the brand new logo. I'm not about to show y'all yet. Y'all should wait until it's on the clothes for y'all to see. This is gonna be crazy when it comes out. This is the blue, baby. There we go. There we go. TKO Sales does great work. As y'all can see, I keep messing with them. I think it's my 4th order. Great work, great work, great work. Next video, next part of the video, y'all gonna see these on the shirts. Thank y'all for tuning in, like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything Create History Clothing. Let's get it.